Welcome to release question number 94 for algebra and functions from the CAHSEE math released questions. It says, what is the equation of the graph shown below? So here's your graph. We need to know an equation. So the equation of any line is always in this y equals mx plus b form. This is called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So that's something you should remember from your algebra class. What do these things stand for again, though? The slope? Well, what do you know? They named it really, really nicely. That's the slope part, the m part. It comes first, and then your intercept is right here. This is the intercept. I always circle the sign with it because it's positive. It could be positive or negative. If this was a minus sign there, you would have that as your y-intercept, a negative number as your y-intercept. So if we look here on the graph, this is my y-intercept here, and this is my slope right here. They go in order. And so what is the y-intercept? Well, that's where it crosses the y-axis. So right here at 3, that is my y-intercept. The y-intercept, intercept is how you would spell that, equals or is positive 3. It's not negative. It would be down here if it was negative. So the y-intercept is positive 3. And your slope, just pick a point that's in the crosshairs and then pick another point that's in the crosshairs. So this, if you go up 1 and you go right 1, you have your slope. So your slope is rise over run. This is 1, this is 1. You're going uphill as you move left to right, so we know it's a positive slope that way as well. So slope, though, is rise over run. Think of it like that. It's plus 1 over plus 1, which is just positive 1. So your slope is 1. Your y-intercept is 3. That means you have an equation like this. Slope is the number in front of the x. That's 1x. And then this is your y-intercept. Since it's positive, it's going to be plus 3. If this was a negative value, it would be minus whatever that value is. Another way to write this, you don't have to include the 1. It's like an invisible 1 in front of there. If you don't include it, it's implied that it's an invisible 1. So you can say y equals x plus 3. That right there is choice C.